Hi guys, welcome to all about TISNET 2022 video. So in this video we look at everything about TISS like eligibility criteria, paper pattern, selection process, cutoff, very important syllabus part. After that TISMAT for the student who have applied for the HRMLR and the ODCL, and TISPAT for non-HRMLR and the ODCL student. So stay tuned throughout the video. Video will be a bit lengthy because lots of things we will be learning about TISS 2022 in this video. Alright, so let's start the video. Before I proceed, a very important announcement about the TISS batch. So all the aspirants, those who want to crack TISNET exam, they can join this batches. This batch will take care of your live classes, books, shortcuts, doubt class, recorded videos will be there, topic test will be there, then your full length mock will be there, which will be the replica of your real TISNET exam. WhatsApp group will be made, and also mentor will be the part of this WhatsApp group. 10,000 plus questions, mentorship will be there. So this is what your course curriculum for the batch TISNET 2022 and 23, both the batches we have launched. So if you want to be the part of this batch, kindly contact our team on this number and you can join these batches. Okay, next is about the TISNET exam. So we should know a bit of about the TISS. So Tata Institute of Social Science conduct TISNET exam, which is the national level exam. Approximate 50,000 applicants write this exam. So all the aspirants, those who clear the exam, they get the admission in TISS and they opt for the various master courses. So TISS gives MA degree in multiple programs. There are 50 plus courses in TISS, and third is nothing but you can opt for the 3 programs, any 2 campuses. And for this you have to point your order of preferences as well. So this is what the basic information about TISS. As I told you, TISS provide 50 plus courses. So flagship courses are nothing but HRMLR and ODCL courses. These are the 2 flagship program of TISS. Then there is a public policy and the governance, your hospitality, public health, criminology, disaster management, rural development, development studies, entrepreneurship. So likewise there are more than 50 plus courses. So whichever program you are targeting for, look at the campus and the program, what is the cutoff in TISNET exam, and accordingly start your preparation. Next is nothing but the eligibility criteria. There is no any age bar to write TISNET exam, so age bar nahi hai. You can anytime apply for the TISNET. Qualification wise, you should have completed your graduation. It should be of minimum 3 years of graduation, or else if you have done your education some other way, like 10 plus 2 plus 3, 10 plus 2 plus 4, like after 10th or after 12th diploma agar aapne kiya hai, that is okay. But overall it is mandatory that 15 years of formal education should be from recognized university. So you are eligible for TISNET exam. Also all the students, those who are in their final year of graduation, they can also apply for this exam. Tentative date or the month if I talk about, usually it happens in the month of January. First week of January में आपका TISNET exam conduct होता है. Next is about the TISNET exam pattern, marking system and exam mode. So there are 3 sections. General awareness, 40 questions for 40 marks, whereas 35% is the cutoff. 14 marks minimum you have to hit in GK section. So this is what the sectional cutoff for the GK in TISNET exam. Apart from this, so only in GK section you have the sectional cutoff, guys. Mathematics and logical reasoning, 30 questions, 30 marks. English proficiency, 30 questions, 30 marks. So overall 100 questions, 100 marks, which you have to complete in 100 minutes. So as usual, 2 o'clock का paper चालू होता है and 3:40 को you have to submit. An exam will be computer based. For correct answer there will be 1 marks, and if it is wrong then there is no negative marking. TISNET के exam में negative marking नहीं है. This is what the most common question keep on coming. Sir negative marking है कि नहीं है? So negative marking नहीं है. So you have to solve total 100 question in 100 minutes. मतलब 1 question 1 minute time. For GK section, let me give the category wise cutoff. For general, EWS, KM and AF category 35%, which is nothing but 14 marks out of 40. PWD and OBC NC category 30%, which is nothing but 12 marks. And if you fall in SC ST category, so there is no any sectional cutoff GK को लेके, तो उनके तो मजे हैं, ठीक है. So sectional cutoff SC and ST के लिए नहीं है. So guys, this is very important point. Out of 100, let's say whatever course you have applied for, उसका कट ऑफ लेट से 50 मार्क्स गया हुआ है, बट जीके का सेक्शनल कट ऑफ नहीं निकला है 14 मार्क्स, तो आप यहाँ पे डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाओगे. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड 2 pointers here. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लियर द सेक्शनल कट ऑफ which is nothing but your GK 14 marks minimum as per your category. Second, overall cut off with respect to the courses which you have applied for. Next is very important, which is nothing but syllabus. Maximum students have dilemma कि quant में क्या पढ़ना है, DI में क्या पढ़ना है. So please pause the video and make the note of all this topic and do rigorous preparation for all this topic only, because I keep on writing TISS every year. So all this topic which I have listed here, this is based on the actual paper analysis. You can watch my paper analysis video also. Link I'll be giving in the description. And for GK, what kind of a question asked in the past year of TISS exam, you can watch those videos also. Link I'll be giving in the description. So in your quant, there is arithmetic, algebra, number system, modern maths, geometry and mensuration. Okay, so arithmetic, these are the topic you have to prepare. Algebra, these are the topic. Number system, these are the topic. Very important LCMS here in number system. Then modern maths is there, your permutation, combination and probability is there. And then geometry and mensuration is very important, these two topics. From data interpretation and sufficiency, table, bar chart, line chart, pie chart and the mixed graph. Okay, and this DI will help in your TISMAT exam also if you are planning to apply for HRMLR and the ODCL. So with respect to quant session and how to prepare it, complete strategy video I have already made. Kindly go and watch that video. So those who think they are weak in maths and they are not comfortable in maths, kindly go and watch my TISNET quant strategy video. In that I have given you the complete strategy, how to start your preparation, what are the important topic, comparison of past year paper, everything I have given. So go and watch that video. Next is nothing but your English section. These are the detailed topic: reading comprehension, antonyms, synonyms, error detection, sentence improvement correction, paragraph jumble, phrasal verb, fill up and close test, one word substitution, idioms and phrases, vocab sort of a questions. So these are the detailed topic for the English section. Please pause the video and make the note of the topics. And I have made the video for English also. Kindly go and watch that video, how to start your English section preparation if you want to hit good score in English section. Next is nothing but your logical reasoning. This section comes with quant section, traditional, verbal, critical and analytical. These are the three type of the logic you have to prepare. Last year question came from clock and calendar and dice. So this is what the detailed topic we have to prepare for traditional logic. Critical say they ask the question, then obviously arrangement is there. So in your TISNET exam, logical reasoning have very less weightage, but then too we have to prepare this area. Minimum you can expect 3 to 4 questions from logical reasoning. So once again, pause the video and make the note of all this topic. And last section, which is nothing but very crucial section of TISS, which is nothing but GK and current affairs, static GK and current affairs. These are the topic you have to prepare. And for current affairs, these are the topic. Again, for current affairs, we have made a separate video how to start your preparation for GK section. Business GK, static GK, current affairs, everything you will get to know in that video. So go and watch GK strategy video for TISNET 2022. And all the students, those who applied for the HRMLR and the ODCL, they have to prepare for the business GK. These are the detailed topic for the business GK. So these are the detailed syllabus for your TISNET exam. Now let me talk about the TISMAT exam, which is nothing but your management aptitude test for the HRMLR and the ODCL student only. So paper pattern wise, comprehension, management data interpretation and business awareness. 10 question from here, 15 question, then 10 question. Okay, 10, 15 and 10 marks. Then there is a descriptive writing also, one descriptive writing, 15 marks. So overall 50 marks paper it will be, which you have to complete in 45 minutes. And very important, in TISMAT exam there is negative marking. So if the question is right, you will get 1 marks, but if it is wrong, then 0.25 is the negative marking. And there is no any sectional cutoff as such. So this is what the detailed information about the TISMAT exam. Next is about your TISPAT exam, program aptitude test. This exam is for the student those who have applied for non-HRMLR and the ODCL courses. मतलब आपने hospitality के लिए apply किया हुआ है, rural development के लिए apply किया हुआ है, और any other courses HRMLR and ODCL को छोड़ के, तो आपको TISPAT का एग्जाम लिखना पड़ेगा. So this year only they have introduced TISPAT exam, और ये basically nothing but PIT का ही पार्ट है, प्री इंटरव्यू टेस्ट. प्री इंटरव्यू टेस्ट उन्होंने रिमूव कर दिया और उसकी जगह पे TISPAT लेके आ गए. ओके, सो अबाउट TISPAT, दिस इज नथिंग बट द स्टेज 2 एग्जाम. So all the students those who applied for the individual program, they have to write TISPAT exam. For example, अगर आपने hospitality के लिए अप्लाई किया हुआ है, then you have to write hospitality का TISPAT exam, जो कि 45 मिनट्स का होगा. Likewise, if you have taken rural development, तो उसके लिए आपको अलग से फिर एक एग्जाम लिखना पड़ेगा TISPAT, जो कि rural development को लेके होगा 45 मिनट्स. सेम वे अगर आपने कोई और भी कोर्स अप्लाई किया हुआ है, लेट्स से एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए अप्लाई किया हुआ है, तो 45 मिनट्स का टेस्ट आपका वो रहेगा. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कोर्सेज विच यू हैव अप्लाइड फॉर, उतने आपको TISPAT के एग्जाम लिखने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, सो मैक्सिमम आप 3 कोर्सेज सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो मैक्सिमम जो एग्जाम लिख सकते हो आप 3 एग्जाम्स लिख सकते हो, विच विल बॉइल्स डाउन टू 135 मिनट्स. सो एवरीथिंग इज गिवन हियर, काइंडली गो थ्रू इट. Next is nothing but the selection process, your aggregate final score, how it will be counted. So if you have applied for the HRMLR and the ODCL courses, which is nothing but the second one, so TISNET का जो वेटेज है that is a stage 1 एग्जाम, वो 30% रहेगा. 100 मार्क्स से जो भी आपका स्कोर आएगा it will be counted 30%. After then 50 मार्क्स का आपका TISMAT का एग्जाम होगा which will be holding 40% weightage. And after then your OPI, this year it is online, so 2022 में maybe it will be center based interview. 100 marks, 30% weightage for the interview. So 30, 40 and 30, this is what the breakup for the HRMLR and the ODCL student. And for non-HRMLR and the ODCL student, 100 marks for TISNET, 30% weightage. TISMAT नहीं रहेगा. TISPAT होगा stage 2 exam, 50 marks, 40% weightage, and then OPI 30% weightage. So 30, 40 and 30, this is what the breakup of your selection. So whichever top campuses and the courses you are targeting for, look at कौन सा campus है and वहाँ पे वो course available है कि नहीं है, because courses vary करते हैं campus to campus. So once again look at the campus and course को लेकर के cut off क्या है and start your preparation. Whether you are preparing for Mumbai campus, Tuljapur, Guwahati or the Hyderabad. Competition is very ruthless. एवरी ईयर कॉम्पिटिशन इज इंक्रीजिंग और पेपर का टफनेस भी इंक्रीज होते जा रहा है TSS का. 2019, 20, 21 ये 3 इयर्स का पेपर अगर आप देखोगे सो बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस TSS के एग्जाम में आया हुआ है. डू वॉच माई कॉन्ट वीडियो, इन दैट आई हैव गिवन यू द कंप्लीट एनालिसिस ऑफ TSS 2019, 20 एंड 21 को लेकर के. That's all guys in this video. I hope this video will be very helpful in terms of the information. Still you have any doubt and query, you can definitely write in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply all the question answers. And in case if you want to join us for TISNET 2022 and 23 batches, you can contact to our team on 8828581455. And to order the books, mock tests, sectional courses, interview preparation, you can log on to our website, which is nothing but menuedu.com/MBA-entrance. Okay, same link I have mentioned in the description, so kindly check the description. Separate YouTube channel we have launched with regards to TISNET exam, so you can definitely subscribe that channel. And same way you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and definitely Telegram to get more updates about the exam and notification. All the social media link I have mentioned in the description, so kindly check the description. Best wishes for your preparation. Thank you.